On site, live, uncut, unedited, raw, as Mikey Pipes would say. I'm in the tub. Ian's getting the shower valve ready.
You like being in the tub, bud?
Yeah, I love it. Rub-a-dub-dub, taking a bath in the tub. We're gonna put a Moen remodel shower valve in to replace this 2-handle. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going down now. Disassembling this, the water's off, and we're gonna get started. In the kit, they give you this template that would either go over an existing single handle faucet, which would be the big hole, or the 2 side smaller holes would fit over the stems like that. You'd get it kind of where it looks like it's in the center, and you'd mark it. And then we're gonna cut it out with the diamond blade on the grinder and start chipping away at whatever this wall is made of. Okay, so after opening up this beautiful oval hole that we made, I was able to see through the wall and into this closet, which I did not know was here, and apparently neither did the homeowner, because I was never told about it, but I can work back here now, which is a lot easier. I knew this house had brass water pipes, so they adapted to copper here. So I'm gonna take these adapters off and start fresh from there, pipe it up to the valve, and this is clearly not in the middle, so we'll have to make that work as well. All right, we're about 3/4 of the way done with the fit up process. Got the male adapters put on, or female adapters, to the brass threaded pipe, and got to connect the shower head to the top of the shower body, and then we'll start soldering. Ian's got the guts removed, the cartridge and the integral stops, so that we can sweat them without melting.
Looks good from here.
Can I see the inspection mirror?
Yeah. This little gadget.
Well, you got me on video?
I do, I got you on video, this thing. Even though I'm on the other side.
Okay, valve is completely soldered in. Ian cut all the pipe and cleaned everything nicey nice. Everything's looking good. Beautiful. Had to offset the shower head, and I had a freaking drip, which I'm not in love with, but one drip out of...
Back the camera up, let's get the thumbnail right now.
Finished product. All spiffed up in here, clean. Hot is hot and cold is cold. Beautiful. Oval escutcheon plate covers everything up nice. Caulked the tub spout. Much better.